to the beautiful and historic city of Istanbul. Prepare to be captivated by the enchanting and historic district of Üsküdar, nestled on the Aegean side of Istanbul, with its vibrant blend of traditional charm and modern allure. This district offers a one-of-a-kind experience that will leave you breathless. From the stunning Çamlıca Mosque to the charming Çamlıca Hill, Üsküdar promises to be a journey you'll never forget. Join us as we explore this magical district and discover its many wonders. Çamlıca Mosque is the largest mosque in Istanbul and one of the most important symbols of Turkish Islamic architecture. It is located on the top of Çamlıca Hill and offers breathtaking views of the southern part of the Bosphorus, the mouth of the Golden Horn, and the city. The mosque's interior is adorned with beautiful calligraphy, intricate tile work, and elegant chandeliers. It is a true masterpiece of Turkish Islamic art and architecture. Living in Üsküdar means experiencing the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. You can find anything from traditional Turkish cuisine to international delicacies and enjoy the district's many green spaces. Among the most important projects in Üsküdar. Number 1. Ala Çamlıca. On the hill of Çamlıca, with a charming natural view of the Bosphorus Strait and the Great Mosque of Çamlıca. The project is located above Çamlıca, amidst a rich green nature, a quiet residential area and apartment types from 3+1 to 6+1. Number 2. Ala Saklebahçe. Near the Ala Çamlıca project comes its similar new project, Ala Saklebahçe, which means the hidden garden, as it is located in the middle of green surroundings from all sides, providing you with the tranquility, fresh air, and beautiful views attached to balconies or spacious gardens. Number 3. Nef Reserve. With stunning views of the Bosphorus, vast green natural spaces inside, and a luxurious modern design. The Nef Reserve project is characterized by apartment types ranging from 2+1 to 5+1. Üsküdar is a true gem of Istanbul, offering a unique blend of tradition, modernity, and natural beauty. Whether you are a tourist or a resident, Üsküdar is a must-visit destination in Istanbul.